Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the background from a video in CapCut on your PC. So CapCut has a built-in AI background remover that can automatically separate the subject from the background without a green screen. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open your CapCut application on your PC or on your computer. Afterwards, you just have to simply click on the option of new project in order to see this type of CapCut dashboard in front of you. Over here, click on the option of this import button and select the videos from your computer. So once the video is imported, you just have to basically see it here in your import library section. So as you can see, I currently have 4 videos available. So I'm going to just pick this particular video here. So simply drag and drop your video which you want to basically remove the background of in the timeline, just like I did. After doing so, simply select your video, then selecting it, hover over to the top right hand corner and select the option of remove background tab. Over here you can select the option of auto removal, and then you just have to wait for some time until it is applying the auto CapCut option on top of your video. So now when you play the video, you are going to see that the object is there and the background is now removed. Now if you don't like the auto removal or the auto cut option, you can also select the chroma key option. For that, select the option of chroma key, then select the option of this color picker. After selecting this color picker, you just have to pick the color of that particular place in your video. Basically it is going to be the background, so you just have to select it and click on it once. So as soon as you do this, the background of the video will be removed. So that's how you can basically remove the background of a video in CapCut on your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.